8 Essential Tips for Maintaining Your Car for Optimal Performance. If you are a car owner, taking care of your vehicle is essential to ensure it runs smoothly and lasts for as long as possible. Whether you are a new car owner or a seasoned driver, these tips can help you keep your car in top shape. But before we start, we create automotive content on our channel regularly. So if you are an auto enthusiast like us or like watching automotive videos, press the subscribe button if you are new to the channel and turn on notifications. Also, smashing the like button is a great way to show your appreciation and motivate us to make more such content. Now that you are subscribed to the channel, let's start the video. 8 must-know tips for keeping your car running like new. Number 1. Regularly check your car's fluids. Regularly checking your car's fluids, such as engine oil, coolant, transmission fluid, and brake fluid, can help prevent major issues and keep your car running smoothly. Engine oil lubricates and protects the engine components. If the oil level is low or the oil appears dark and dirty, it's time for an oil change. Coolant helps to regulate the engine temperature. Make sure the coolant level is between the minimum and maximum marks on the reservoir. And check the color and condition of the coolant periodically. Check the oil levels and conditions regularly. And change it according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Number 2. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. Your car's manufacturer provides a maintenance schedule that outlines when you should perform certain maintenance tasks. The maintenance schedule provides specific guidelines and recommendations for performing routine maintenance and checks. This also includes oil changes, filter replacements, and other critical maintenance tasks. By adhering to the maintenance schedule, you can identify and fix potential issues before they become major problems, preventing costly repairs or even complete product failure. Number 3. Rotate your tires. Regular tire rotations can extend the life of your tires and improve your car's handling. It's recommended to rotate your tires every 10,000 to 12,000 kilometers. Why rotate your car tires? Tires wear unevenly depending on their position on your car, such as front tires wearing more on the outside edges due to turns. Rotating your tires regularly helps even out the wear, which can extend their lifespan and improve your car's handling. However, you should always follow your car manufacturer's recommendations for your specific make and model. Number 4. Keep your car clean. Regular car washes can help prevent rust and corrosion, while interior cleaning can help prevent odors and keep your car looking new. It's also essential to clean your car's undercarriage to remove dirt, salt, and debris that can cause damage to your car's frame and suspension. Regular car cleaning can help maintain your car's appearance, which can increase its resale value. Cleaning the interior of your car can help prevent musty odors caused by dirt, dust, and other debris. Number 5. Use the right type of fuel. Make sure to use the type of fuel recommended by your car's manufacturer. Using the wrong type of fuel can damage your engine and decrease fuel efficiency. Most gasoline types come in different octane levels, such as regular, mid-grade, and premium. Using a higher octane fuel than what your car requires won't improve performance and can be a waste of money. Mixing different types of fuel can cause engine damage, so make sure to use only one type of fuel at a time. Ethanol blended fuels such as E10 or E20 can be corrosive to some engines, especially older ones. Make sure to check your owner's manual to see if your car is compatible with ethanol blended fuels. Number 6. Pay attention to warning lights. If you notice any unusual sounds or vibrations while driving, or if warning lights appear on your dashboard, it's essential to address them promptly. If you hear any unusual sounds such as squeaking, grinding, or knocking while driving, it could be a sign of a mechanical problem. If you feel vibrations while driving, it could be a sign of an issue with your car's suspension, tires, or wheels. Ignoring these vibrations could lead to uneven tire wear, damage to your suspension, or even a blowout. If warning lights appear on your dashboard, it's essential to address them promptly. These lights can indicate issues with your car's engine, brakes, transmission, or other systems. Ignoring warning lights could lead to further damage or even unsafe driving conditions. If you notice any unusual smells such as burning rubber or oil, it could be a sign of an engine or electrical problem. Addressing these smells promptly can help prevent more significant damage and potential safety hazards. By paying attention to warning signs and addressing them promptly, you can help maintain your car's health and prevent costly repairs down the road. If you're not sure what a warning sign means, consult your owner's manual or take your car to a professional mechanic for an inspection. Number 7. Drive carefully. How you drive can also affect the longevity of your car. Avoid aggressive driving, which can cause excessive wear and tear on your car's components. Number 8. Store your car properly. If you need to store your car for an extended period, be sure to prepare it properly by filling the tank with fuel, disconnecting the battery, and protecting it from the elements. It's also a good idea to start the car and drive it occasionally to keep the battery charged and prevent the tires from developing flat spots. Remember, proper car care not only benefits your vehicle, but also your wallet and the environment. If you have any tips to share with us, please mention in the comments. Enjoy a long and happy ownership experience with your car. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.